Alright, so first night, just one night here in Dunedin actually, and we're gonna go get some Italian food. We're gonna go to a nice restaurant called Etrusco. So the Uber is coming, let's go check out and eat some good food in Dunedin. Just came back from the Italian restaurant called Etrusco, and the food was like, the reviews were great. The food was okay. The pizza wasn't very good. It felt like they opened a garden salad and tossed on top instead of putting rocket with the prosciutto. When I brought it up with the guy at the reception at the time to pay the bill, the guy said like, "Oh, it's the need and it's the winter. We don't have rocket." And I was like, what the hell? The appetizers that were ordered before, like the focaccia kind of thing with the salami and prosciutto, they were good. The pasta was a puttanesca, which is like olives, capers, anchovies. It was cooked perfectly, al dente. And I saw in the reviews that the pasta was really authentic, but the pizza wasn't. So I was kind of expecting that already. And I had 2 glasses of Chardonnay. And if you guys know me, like, I never drink alcohol. Like, I just don't like the taste. But I don't know. Today I just felt like, let's have some some wine. So maybe you can see my cheeks. They are very red. I'm very red and kind of like drunk and tipsy. Because for someone that doesn't drink, if you drink 2 glasses, it's kind of a lot. So anyway, so it was a good night out, and tomorrow I have a few hours after I wake up to go explore the Larnach Castle. So now it's time to relax a little bit, have a good night's sleep, because I have a 4.5-hour drive back to Christchurch tomorrow. It's late at night here in Dunedin. Before I go to bed, I gotta do another rat test, because after the 5th day you're in New Zealand, you gotta do another rat test. So I got a test right here with me, and this swab you do 5 times, and then you dip inside the solution here, and then 4 drops here, and then you get the result. And then I'll just reply to the link in the email they sent me, and this is it. Very simple. So 2 rat tests. One when you first arrive here in day 1 or day 0 when you just arrive, and the second one on day 5th or 6th here in New Zealand. So this is it. Good night, guys. Good morning, guys. Just woke up and I drove here to the Larnach Castle. It's quite cold here in Dunedin this morning. It was raining early morning, and now the weather had a break. It's not raining anymore, but it's still super windy and cold. I hope you guys are well. Let's go for a nice adventure, and I'll walk you guys through, and I hope you enjoy what you see. but I'm on the top of the tower of the Larnach Castle here in New Zealand, in Dunedin. Such a beautiful spot with scenic views all around. The sun is out a little bit, which is a gift. The gardens are incredible as well. Super cold, but beautiful. It's still windy here. Leaving now. We were at the cafe. The coffee was delicious. The pie took a while because they start at 11 o'clock. So I ordered the pie at 10:58 and it was $20 New Zealand, 1950. But it came on a plate with a little salad and some chips. So it was kind of like a meal. So that's how they justify charging $20. It was all right. It was not bad. So I'm leaving here now, and so beautiful here. The gardens here, absolutely gorgeous. So, oh, the sun is out. Very nice. And they had a spectacular view from the castle to the garden. There's a view to the sea there all the way. Awesome. And yeah, so now I'm gonna hop back in the car, fill the tank, and drive all the way to Christchurch. So it's gonna be a 4.5 hour drive. And then tomorrow morning, flying back to Australia. Just a quick stop here in Timaru to get some coffee. So halfway had a coffee and a club sandwich, and now back on the car all the way to Christchurch non-stop. Gorgeous, super cold morning here in Christchurch. I'm at the airport and it's time to go. Such an amazing trip. And finally it's time to fly back home today on my birthday. These people are so amazingly kind. I cannot believe this, but happy birthday to me, 40 years old. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. COVID safe. I had the test just yesterday.